Hey everybody, I've got a different kind of video to do tonight. I've separated all the talking engines off the shelves and put them down all in one row. And I'm just going to go down the list and show them to you and tell you which ones are which. Let's see. First, this is the second generation Talking Thomas. He's got a sound hole here in the top, and he's powered by Annie in the back. Next to him is the 50 phrase Thomas, made by Tomy. This is the Hit Toys Flip Face Hero of the Rails model.
I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 engine.
Next to him's the Talking Thomas from the Bust Through Mine Tunnel set. Next to it is the standard Fisher-Price Talking Thomas model. The next three are the Talking Action models, the English version, American version, and Japanese speaking version. Next to it is the Fisher-Price Talking Edward. And we have the 50 phrase Talking Gordon, and the Talking Action Gordon, and a Fisher-Price Gordon. And then there's the Fisher-Price Edward, and a Talking Action Edward. Then we have the three Talking Action Percys. English, American, Japanese, standard Fisher-Price Percy. This is the second generation Talking Percy, the sound hole in the top. Next to him is the 50 phrase Percy. Next to him is a Talking Action Diesel 10. And next to him is a Talking Action Toby and a Fisher-Price Talking Toby. And we've got the Fisher-Price Victor with his all swirly looking buffers. It's all goofy. We got the Fisher-Price Talking Flynn, the fire engine, and next to him is Talking Salty, made by Fisher-Price as well. We got Talking Action James, the English version, and the Japanese version, and I am missing the American speaking Alec Baldwin accent version. Next to it is a Fisher-Price standard Talking James, and the Hit Toys flip face version from the Hero of the Rails next to it, with the 50 phrase Talking James, made by Playrail. This is a Fisher-Price Talking Spencer. And next to him, my favorite, is the flip face
I came here a long time ago from another island.
flip face Hero, made by Hit Toys. And next to it is the 50 phrase Talking Hero, made by Playrail. And the Fisher-Price Talking Diesel. There are these, which are the second generation 3-car models that's Henry, Gordon, Edward. There's Percy. There's James. There's Percy. And the Thomas comes in this set. And that's it. Those are the talking models. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed that. That was fun to do. Thank you all. Have a great night.